Today we'll show how to add a drain pipe to this water heater drain pan. This tank has a slow leak that's going into the drain pan, but no way to drain it outside until we add the piping that was never installed. Let's go over the parts needed. This fitting with the rubber washer came with the pan. So to add piping to it so it can be drained, we may need this 1/2-inch fitting in case we need to extend the pipe, in which I doubt. A 1.5-inch by 1/2-inch reducer and a 1/2-inch elbow, plus 2 feet or so of 1/2-inch pipe, and then PVC cement with primer. All we need to drill a hole through this exterior wall for PVC drain pipe is a drill and a diamond bit hole saw 1 3/8 inch. This is to first drill a perfect hole through the tile. It's a great tool that can also be used on glass, marble, granite, ceramic, and porcelain tiles. With a hammer drill and long masonry bit, we drill through the cinder block wall from the inside, and measuring to make sure the pipe fits and it's slightly tilted towards the outside. We temporarily put back the fitting that came with the drain pan. Make sure the rubber washer is on the outside before inserting the thread. Screw the nut on the inside the pan and tighten. Now we insert the 1 1/4-inch by 1/2-inch reducer. Then we measure for a short 1/2-inch pipe to insert into the reducer, and then add the elbow that will insert into the wall drain pipe. We mark it, cut it with the hacksaw, and sand the ends where the primer and cement are to be applied. Prime all ends of fittings and pipes to be joined. Time for cementing it all together, starting with the pan fitting, both sides of the 1/2-inch pipe. Insert it into the reducer. Then insert the elbow on the other end of the pipe. Then cement and insert the pan fitting to the reducer. Now insert the rubber washer on the thread of the pan fitting and insert it in the pan hole. Screw on the nut and tighten it with a channel lock, while making sure the elbow is facing the 1/2-inch drain pipe going out the wall. Then we cement the pipe and the elbow and insert them together and twist the pipe about 1/4 inch. Everything is nice and sturdy, and any leaks from the tank will drain outside before the pan overflows. We can also use it to drain the tank by opening the tank valve and install a new tank inside the same pan after removing the old one. You can watch the water heater tank installation video we already uploaded on this channel. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.